How?
Paano more camera na? Hindi ko more ko isa eh.
Hi everyone! Just wanna share something. We'll just share something. Sa mga hindi nakarating kanina umaga, so we will discuss the intro of this group or activity. So actually this activity is a product of what we've been doing together as friends. We're doing our own art tambays in coffee shops, and then one day one of our friends also thought of doing this outdoor, and then ayun, we decided to do urban sketching. So we had one urban sketching before at post office, and then on the next, and then on the next, and then we got connected with other urban sketchers group, which is outside Baguio. It's in QC. So actually, Urban Sketchers is a global community who gather with like-minded people who likes to sketch. So actually, right now we're in the works of being an official chapter here in Baguio City for Urban Sketchers. So thank you so much for coming. This is the first activity wherein there are more people who joined us, and please check our Facebook pages and Instagram pages, Urban Sketchers Baguio. So please wait for more announcements there, wherein we will post when's the next. Do you want to say more? Ano go?
Minsan we will be posting like Urban Sketchers kaya just we will just keep you posted through our social media for now. And then if ever na you would like to if you and your friends would like to do it, you can always tag your photos also with us. But at least it's your way of supporting yung process namin of making Baguio City an official chapter of Urban Sketchers or international. Kaya we're very thankful to see you guys today. We hope we will see you again, and we hope that you will invite others who did not know about this yet, and then we'll build this community together. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Woo!